Hello everybody, welcome back to Philocaly. Let's see how to make a simple wall decor which is renter friendly and doesn't have to drill any nails on the wall. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and follow us on social media for more updates. I had a huge package delivered from Flipkart. Let's see what's in it. Though the box was damaged, the contents were safe and secure. There were totally 9 frames that were there in the pack. These frames are not made of original wood but light wood, and therefore they would be able to hold the weight with the help of the tacked glue itself. 2 5-inch frames, 5 7-inch frames, 1 square 14 cm frame and 1 10-inch frame. Next, we have a beautiful British style clock with the hour hand, minute hand and second hand given separately. Next, some British style accessories with the letters London LONDON in it, a yellow moustache and a red buzz to match the British theme. A red buzz with 2 wheels, the tower clock, a yellow moustache and the words London. An alphabet, the letter N was already broken when I had received the package. Next are the 2 wall shelves made of light wood. The instruction sheet claims that the wall shelves can hold up to 5 liters of water weight, but to be on the safer side, do not place any heavy things on it. Next are the 3-pin and 4-pin hooks provided to fix the clock and the wall shelves respectively. There are totally 5 in number. Then the instruction manual to assemble the clock, the shelf and the other accessories in the package. Next we have the paper template, which is to be used to put up the entire wall decor. And the British theme photos. There are 9 photos for the 9 frames. One can put up own photos as well, but I chose to go with the theme. Next is the Faber-Castell tacked glue, which is used to stick the frames and the paper template on the wall. Next is the bubble level, which is used to keep the frames in proper level. I have the picture for reference. Let's get started now. Now let's install the photos in the frames. Each frame has a plastic sheet coated on the acrylic sheet to avoid any scratches during the transit. Some of the photos provided were slightly bigger in size and had to cut the edges to fit it into the frame. Good that the frames were provided with acrylic sheet instead of glass so that they could be less damaged during transit as well as while hanging it with the tacked glue. Installed all the photos in the frames and this is how it looks. The 5 white frames and the 4 blue frames. Now With the help of the tacked glue, I am sticking the paper template on the wall. I have cut the places where the frames have to be placed. The final size would be around 178 cm to 95 cm on the wall. Now, adding the glue to the frames. With the help of the bubble level, I am sticking the frames on the wall. Make sure to give enough pressure while sticking it on the wall. Now, adding in the British style accessories, the Tower Bridge, this is where the clock would be placed, keeping the paper template as a guide to stick the other accessories. The red bus. As I was doing it all alone, the paper template fell off as I was completing the project. And the yellow moustache. Now for the shelves, added the 4-pin hook. These pins do not cause much damage to the wall, yet if you do not want to hammer them into the wall, you can use the 3M strips as well. Initially, the wall clock had some issues, so I had fixed only the ring, but later got it sorted. The wall clock required a AA battery, and with the help of the 3-pin that was provided, it was placed on the wall to complete the look. I hope you found some ideas in creating a wall decor budget friendly and renter friendly. The link to this product is provided in the description box below. I skipped adding the second wall shelf and the alphabets. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found the video useful. Like, share and consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.